Just about everyone knows how cars and SUVs and trucks look, but not everyone knows how they work. The main parts of a car include the wheels, the engine, the frame of the car or the body, and there's also a thing called the exhaust. This is connected by tubes connected to the engine. Another major part of a car is the interior. The interior of a car has seating for passengers, storage, and in the driver's seat, that's where you control the car with the wheel. This car has a forward and reverse system with a stick. My dad's car has gear shifting, kind of like a bike, but not like a bike. This car has a manual transmission. That means you have to change the gears yourself. Other cars have an automatic transition, which means the car changes it for you automatically. Now, we're gonna open up the hood and take a look at the engine. Unfortunately, there's not much to see here because all of the engine's covered up. But we do have another car to look at the engine where you can see most of the stuff. Engines are very complicated pieces of machinery. We are only going to talk about just a few parts. The basic engine is down here, but it's covered by all the other parts. This is a 4-cylinder engine. You can tell because there's 2 parts of the cylinder there and 2 parts of the cylinder there. An engine is powered by a combination of gasoline and oxygen. This is the air filter. It draws outside air and takes it into the engine. Engines take oxygen and gasoline and create many explosions inside the engine. The engine creates energy, producing horsepower, which allows the car to move. Aside from just horsepower, engines also produce a lot of heat, so there's water and oil to cool down and control the heat. The important part of the car is the battery. This powers all the lights, it powers the radio, it powers the inside stuff, and it powers the chair movement so you can get a comfy ride. Aside from heat and horsepower, the car also produces exhaust, a form of waste and pollution. The exhaust travels through pipes coming from the engine. It is very loud and runs to the muffler before it exits the car. The muffler actually helps quiet down the exhaust. Let's look and listen to what an engine sounds like starting up. Obviously, an engine creating all this power wouldn't be able to move the car if the car didn't have wheels. Lastly, a car needs a way to stop with all the speed. There are brakes in the wheels that pinch down the rotor and have the car quickly stop.